ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే జరుగుతుంది. సో ఇలా మార్చ్ పాస్ట్ అలా సో మెనీ యాక్టివిటీస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో డ్యాన్సెస్ అలా చాలా ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇలా ఇప్పుడు ఫుల్ కవరేజ్ చేసేద్దాం. సో లెట్స్ గెట్ వీడియో స్టార్టెడ్. సో ఇంత వీడియో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే వల్ల ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోదండి. అండ్ వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం.
Everyone give a huge round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request all four house mistresses to raise their respective house flags. We will kindly request the house mistresses, namely Rajeshwari ma'am of Challengers House, Deepa ma'am of Explorers House, Punyavati ma'am of Innovators House, and Sushmita ma'am of Pioneers House to raise their respective house flags. May we have a huge round of applause for them. Thank you, respective teachers. Leadership is the capacity to translate. And Jay Surya from grade 7B as Deputy Captain of Challengers House. We congratulate both the leaders and wish them all the very best on their new journey into the path of leadership. We believe that under their able captaincy, House of Challengers will win over all challenges in this academic year. I would like to request our luminaries to pin the badges and give the sachets and certificates to both the captain and deputy captain.
The spark of innovation ignites change, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary breakthroughs. We believe that under the able leadership of the captain and deputy captain of innovators will surely showcase a new era of innovative change in the environment of our institution in this academic year. I would request the luminaries to pin the badge and honor with sachets and the certificates to both captain and deputy captain of the innovators. We congratulate both on this new success and wish them all the very best. Let us congratulate them with a huge round of applause.
Next up, we have A. Pranashri from grade 9B as the captain and K. Srivala from grade 7A as the deputy captain of Pioneers. Both are active participants in various scholastic and scholastic activities held up in our school. We believe under their able and joint leadership of captain and deputy captains of Pioneers will surely pioneer in showcasing the best achievements this academic year. We congratulate Pranavashri and Srihala on their new success and wish them all the very best. I would request the dignitaries to pin the badge of honor and give the sash and certificate to both captain and deputy captains of Pioneers. Let us congratulate them with a huge round of applause. To witness a significant movement at our Pioneers House to keep the respective house flags and the flag holders. Let's hype them up with a huge round of applause. Rajeshwari ma'am of Challengers House. We have Deepa ma'am of Explorers House hoisting the house flag. Next up, we have Community Mom of Innovators House hosting the Innovators House Flag. Let's hype them up. Please everyone encourage them and cheer them up. Where is the clap? Please clap high for your houses. These are your houses. Clap high. Next, we have challenges house captain, Senior Captain Karim. I would request our principal ma'am to hand over the house flag to him.
Karim slow.
Let the class unit in the field. Please hype them up. Please clap for your houses. Now we have excellent house captain, Mahipeta. I would request our principal ma'am to hand over the house flag to her. Next we have Innovators House Captain, Amit Sriram. I would like to request the principal ma'am to hand over the Innovators House flag to him. Now we have Pioneers House Captain, A. Pravashi. I would like to request the principal ma'am to hand over the Pioneers House flag to her. Now it is Sandy taking the flag. Please hype her up. Everyone please clap for your houses. Thank you, ma'am, for vesting this great responsibility. Marching is more than just about steps and formations. In fact, it is a beautiful portfolio of discipline, unity, harmony, and pride. And every step taken is a testament of your determination and dedication for each step. Repeat after me. I,
Karim Captain,
we pledge to stand by the rules of our esteemed institution, the Veridian Ecole, and strive to do our duties and ensure that all students do the same to the full satisfaction of my management, principal, teachers, staff, and my fellow students. We promise to serve the student community with great respect and uphold the name and prestige of the school above our self-esteem.
Good morning, everybody. I came here just to greet you on this 78th Independence Day. After independence, still our country is in the stage of developing country only, not completely developed. That's why it is all our duty to convert this developing nation into developed nation. For that, actually, what is required means the situation itself is demanding hard work with smartness. That is very, very important for all of us. For example, we are feeling that freedom means it is very comfortable for us. But whenever we think about freedom, freedom is also associated with responsibility. That we should know always. Freedom means that is associated with responsibility. When you are having more freedom means you have more responsibility, and also you should respect our country. And one generally simply flag hoisting and all these patriotic songs, that is not sufficient actually. That is one way of expressing our patriotism. Patriotism means what is, we should understand that clearly. Simply knowing many things is not sufficient, or that is not at all important. Simply following small things which are useful for the country and also for our society is very, very important. And now I request all of you to do your work sincerely with dedication. And when we are doing our work, we have to follow certain virtues also. When we do the work with virtues, that is very, very easy for us to achieve the development. Because as you are students, what is your duty means you have to dedicate completely to your studies. That is very, very important. And again, once again, I am greeting all of you on the 78th Independence Day of our country. Thank you.
కొద్దిగా ముందుకు రా మనం బా 2 స్టెప్ ముందుకు రా
Looks right. Start.
Congratulations, everyone. Now we'll celebrate with the congratulations song. Congratulations and celebrations. Let me tell everyone we leader who have won. Congratulations and jubilations. We want the world to know how happy we are. We are not happy and contented. We thought happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before. We met you when we let you walk into our hearts. Felicidades y celebraciones cuando le decimos de todo el mundo sobre los líderes que han ganado. Felicidades y júbilos. Congratulations and celebrations. We want the world to know how happy we are. Congratulations and jubilations. We want the world to know how happy we are.
Yes, thank you.
कमलालय श्रीदेवी పల్లె పంతమున్న కోడే